If your iPhone's digital ID not working for your passport, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now this issue can happen because of many reasons. One reason is that your iPhone might not be compatible or the software version of your iPhone might be old. For this feature to work, you will need at least the iPhone 11 or later. And also make sure that the iOS version of your iPhone must be iOS 26 or later. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now from here, just make sure you set up your Face ID and make sure you set up a passcode for the lock screen. After that, the next step is just go back to the main settings page and tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on Sign In and Security. Now just make sure you set up two-factor authentication on your iPhone. After you set up two-factor authentication, then finally just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General settings, just scroll down and tap on Language and Region. From here, just check the region of your iPhone, because currently this feature only works in the United States. And also your passport must be compatible with your region, meaning that your passport must be from the United States. And after you follow all these steps, you will fix the digital ID not working problem with your passport. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.